In this video, I will show how to fix Excel is very slow to open. So you can try this setting to make fast to open your Excel worksheet. Click on File, then Options. Here Advanced. Scroll down. In the journal, unselect Ask to update automatic links. Then Trust Center. Click on Trust Center settings. Click on Macro settings. Select here Disable VBA macros without notification. Then click on OK. Now exit and reopen Excel. Hopefully this method will work and it will make speed up to open your Excel in your Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.